Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to teach you about subnetting and subnetting examples. So whenever we would be given the term subnetting and to solve those examples, we would be asked to find out these 6 terms which are subnet mask, subnet address, first host address, last host address, local broadcast address and next subnet address. Alright. So I would like to give you examples of 2 IP addresses and find out these 6 terms from this given IP addresses. Alright. So first of all, I would like to solve this given example, which is 12.12.12.12/9. It states that 9 bits are considered as network bits. Alright. So we all know that IP is combined of 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits and 8 bits. Right. So we can say that the first 8 bits will be remained as it is, and from the next 8 bit we would be borrowing 1 extra bit to complete it as 9. Alright. So also remember that whenever we have to solve this IP addressing or subnetting example, we would be have to work in ranges which are known as subnet ranges. So let us find out that in this example what will be our subnet range. So first of all, we can state that as our first 8 bits are as it is, we can write it as 12 dot. We are borrowing 1 extra bit and the remaining 7 are different. Dot 0 dot. So here we can write S1 as 12 as the first 8 bits are already borrowed. So 12 dot 0, the 1 bit we borrowed, 7 zeros as it is, dot 0 dot 0/9. So whenever we are going to borrow extra bit, it will be in the range of 2 raised to n. Alright. So here we have borrowed 1 bit. So it means that we would be getting our range as 2 raised to 1, 2 ranges. So one as 0 and another as 12.1. Alright. So S1 we can write it as 12.0.0.0/9 and range 2 we can write it as 12.128.0.0/9. These are the 2 ranges we get. So we would be able to find out the 6 terms from these 2 terms only, right? So first of all, we would be finding subnet mask. So subnet mask's definition says that make each and every network bit as 1 and the host bits as 0. So 9 bits we have borrowed. So we will be giving as first 9 bits as 1. Which will be equal to 255.128.0.0. Alright. Now, second thing, subnet address. So the shortcut over here is that the 2 ranges we would be getting will give the direct answer to us. So S1 will be equal to subnet address and S2 will be equal to next subnet address. So we can directly write these 2 terms. Alright. So the subnet address over here is S1, which is equal to 12.0.0.0/9. Alright. Now the 6th term, the next subnet address is our S2, which would be equal to 12.128.0.0/9. So to find out local broadcast address, we would be having to subtract 1 bit from the next subnet address. Alright. So we would be getting our answer as 12.127.255.255/9. If you add 1 to this address, you would be getting next subnet address, right? So fourth, it states last host. So as we subtracted 1 bit from next subnet address, we got local broadcast. If we subtract 1 bit from local broadcast, we would be getting last host. So our answer will be equal to 12.127.255.254/9. Now 3 is first host. So now if you add 1 bit in the subnet address, you will directly get the first host. So our subnet address is this, so add 1 to it, 12.0.0.1/9. These are the 6 terms we were asked to find out. Alright, so this second sum I have already solved for you. So in this it states that 21 bits are set as network bits. Alright, so we would be borrowing extra 5 bits over here. So our first range will be equal to 172.172.0.0 because the first 16 bits are as it is. Alright, now the range 2 would be equal to 172.172.8.0 because if we convert and if we try to give these numbers as ranges, which would be equal to 2 raised to 5, so we would be getting here 32 ranges. So first is 0, another is but obviously 1. So if you convert it in decimal, you would be getting difference of 8. So our range will always be getting the difference of 8 numbers only. So our S3 will be 8 plus 8, 16. So 172.172.16.0. Our S4 will be equal to 172.172.24.0. Now you can observe that our given IP lies in the range S3 and S4. Alright. So now we would be playing with these two ranges only. So as I told you that S3 is our subnet address and S4 will be our next subnet address. So directly note down the subnet address and next subnet address as S3 and S4. For subnet mask, I told you that keep the first 21 bits as 1 like this. So you will be getting your answer as 255.255.248.0/21. Now subtract 1 from next subnet address, you would be getting your local broadcast address. So subtracting 1 from this, you will get 172.172.23.255/21. Again subtract 1 from this, you would be getting your last host, which would be equal to 172.172.23.254/21. And if you add 1 to subnet address, you will get first host. So add 1 to this, you will get 172.172.16.1/21. So these were the two different examples in which I gave you the method, the shortcut method, that how to find out all these 6 given terms without doing any mask calculation. Alright, thank you.